Let me guess, you're between the age of 13 to 19 and you want to start making some money.
Of course.
It's a good thing you found this video because we've got some fun ways to start earning some moolah.
No way.
If you're not a teen though, stick around because these will likely work for you.
Let's get into our first way to make money, which is right here on YouTube. I know what you're thinking. What would these two guys know about growing and monetizing a YouTube channel with such a small channel themselves?
That's a good question, Max. But let me present to you my other YouTube channel, Propertygrams, which has over 260,000 subs. It's a luxury real estate channel I started in 2017, and as you can see, here I am showcasing multi-million-dollar homes. If an older guy like myself can grow and monetize a YouTube channel, so can you.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You famous yet?
You just need to find something that you're passionate about and press that record button. Take Mr. Beast for example. He started his channel when he was 13 making Minecraft videos. Fast forward to today, and he's one of the top paid creators.
All you need is a camera, an internet connection, and a computer to edit and upload your videos. From there, just start making content and always try to improve on your latest video.
It won't be easy, as you can tell with our channel right now. Expect slow growth at the start, which should speed up as you upload more videos. And eventually, you'll be able to monetize that channel.
To monetize, you'll need to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, and no community guideline strikes. You'll also need to be 18 or get a parent or guardian to set up an account on your behalf. Hopefully, you trust them.
Once you've met these requirements, you can start making money from AdSense, which is basically the revenue from the ads that pop up during your videos. This pays an average of $5 to $10 per 1,000 clicks, depending on what genre of videos you're making.
I eat little babies' ice cream.
I don't know what the that was, but other ways to make money with YouTube are with channel memberships, super chat donations, affiliate links, and sponsorships. If your channel takes off, you could even sell some merch.
For the low price of only $19.95.
If you love playing video games, why not earn money doing it? As a gamer who's thrown a few controllers and smashed a few keyboards, I'd have made some pretty entertaining content as a teen.
If you can keep your cool, Twitch is a platform that pays you to live stream, but it's not just for gamers. You can share your artwork and music, or even host a talk show. As long as it's entertaining, you have the potential to make some money.
Yes!
Twitch is similar to YouTube when it comes to monetization. To get monetized, you need to be 18 or have a parent or guardian sign off on your account. Next, you'll need to stream a certain amount of hours, which will unlock affiliate or partner streaming levels.
Once you have affiliate or partner unlocked, you can get paid from subscriber memberships or bit donations. You can also run ads on your videos or look for sponsorship deals.
To get started on Twitch, you'll need a camera, a decent computer, and a reliable internet connection. Because you'll be streaming live, you're also going to need a program like OBS that lets you customize what's shown on your screen while you stream.
If you're a little short on cash to buy all the gear you need to get started on YouTube or Twitch, you can always try TikTok. All you need is a phone and a little bit of personality.
Personality, the best.
When we were young, kids wanted to be pro sports players or rich celebrities. Nowadays, they just want to be TikTok famous, and it may not be as hard as you think. Look at Bella Poarch, who went completely viral for making stupid faces.
Cabby Lane, for example, has a net worth of about $5 million for doing hand gestures and facial expressions. Charli D'Amelio, on the other hand, has a net worth of around $20 million for posting dance videos. So yeah, you can make money on TikTok.
To be part of TikTok's Creator Fund, you'll have to be 18, have 10,000 followers, and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. This monetization feature is currently only available in select countries, but is promised to expand to others as well.
Because TikTok's Creator Fund only pays around 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views, look for other ways to make money with TikTok with their tips or live gifting features.
They also have the TikTok Creator Marketplace, which helps creators link up with brands to get paid. But in the end, if you want to make money on social media, you have to focus on growing your following.
One thing to keep in mind when it comes to social media is that you'll likely run into some trolls and haters. So you gotta have a thick skin, confidence, and don't worry about what other people think.
Are you really not gonna live your life based on somebody's anonymous icon feedback that you suck? They suck.
Speaking of Gary Vee, let's talk about flipping shit. Every once in a while, I'll check out a garage sale and see if somebody's mom is selling their old Magic Card collection.
Junk.
Picked up this bad boy for 40 bucks, and I'm gonna list it on eBay, and it looks like I'll make a decent return.
It doesn't matter if it's a stuffed animal or a collectible found at a garage sale, there's always money to be made reselling stuff.
Gary Vee has blown this side hustle up over the past few years, and he thinks it's an important building block for teens to get those entrepreneurial skills and learn about business.
Garage sales are how kids learn that flip life and become marketers and business people and traders in the future. Garage sales take discipline. Garage sales build memory. I'm about that garage sale life.
To get started, check out some garbage sales, garage sales, or local online marketplaces to find stuff to flip. But before you go and buy anything, you gotta do some research on the fly.
Here's what you're gonna wanna do. Download the eBay app, search the item, and sort it by sold. This is a quick way to see if the item you want to buy locally is worth flipping online.
Ryan Pineda's method of flipping couches is another way to take advantage of garage sales. Sometimes all you need to do is buy things at a discount, clean them, and then relist them with better pictures for a higher price.
I've personally flipped lots of furniture and this method does work, but you will need a bigger vehicle to move larger items. If you don't have a truck, don't worry, there's plenty of money to be made flipping smaller stuff. It just needs a little TLC.
If flipping used junk isn't your cup of tea, another way to make money as a teen is to sell your skills. The question is, what are you good at? Can you play an instrument, speak multiple languages, or fix things?
If so, you can make money. The best part is, it's probably something you already like to do, and there usually isn't an age requirement for these types of jobs.
What?
To get started, sell your skills to your family or friends, or you can also advertise locally with flyers around your neighborhood or through online marketplaces.
Freelance websites like Upwork or Fiverr are good for finding customers, but you'll likely need a parent or guardian to sign up and manage your account. If you can get established locally or on websites like these, you can even turn your skills into a career.
Sweet.
If you don't feel like you have any special skills, you can make money doing odd jobs. As a teen, you've likely done chores at home, so how about taking these simple tasks and offering them to your neighbors?
You could do things like babysitting, walking pets, or mowing lawns. Love him or hate him, Jake Paul started off landscaping for 10 bucks an hour, and look at him now. He's still a jackass.
Lastly, don't be afraid to get a regular job. Plenty of celebrities started off with jobs that I bet you wouldn't expect. Nicki Minaj used to work at Red Lobster.
Kanye West had a job at the Gap.
And Brad Pitt used to make money wearing chicken costumes.
Whether it's a cow or chicken costume, don't worry, your first job won't define your future, but it will give you one very important thing, and that's experience.
We all gotta start somewheres, and the sooner the better. Once you start making money though, try not to blow it all.
We've put together a guide on how to get your money to work for you so you don't have to wear a chicken suit for the rest of your life. You can watch that here.
And for more videos on building wealth and investing, make sure to subscribe. I'm Mike, he's Max, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
FIFA?
Well, yeah.
3 bids, Mike.
Woo!
I'm gonna be rich.
You take me out for lunch?
That's right. You don't like tea?
No, I like milk and cookies, man.
I'm gonna get out on the street and hustle.
Okay, what are you hustling?
Feathers.